tool training. Quickly, can you either you switch on your mic and share, otherwise drop a message in the chat box and share what is the one AI tool that you used in the past 10 days. Okay, yes, Pooja, quickly. Raised by mistake. Your microphone is off. Chat
Yes, ma'am.
GPT.
Yes, Chat GPT and Canva.
Chat GPT and Canva. Okay, Chat GPT. Okay, now apart from Chat GPT, Canva and Gamma. Okay, Gemini,
Magic School,
Adobe. Okay, Brisk. Okay,
Magic School,
Magic School, Brisket, Suno AI, Napkin, Neo, Perplexity. Wow, lovely, lovely. So many AI tools are being used, and so by so many members. That is good to see. If anyone would like to share, how has it helped? So we won't take many answers in this, but a couple of people, please raise your hand and share how has it helped you. Anybody? Okay. Yes, Smita ma'am.
ma'am. It saves our time. Plus, the words which we don't have, like vocabulary. So we get while writing an email or something like that, creating some content. So we get new words, new sentence, and the way it gives a written matter. So I don't think a person can write full fledgedly like that. So it saves the time,
Mhm.
the first thing, and the second, the way the contents are written. Second.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, Smita ma'am, for sharing. So true. It saves a lot of time. Yes, Shinaz ma'am.
Yeah, I would like to add that, of course, whatever Smita ma'am says is quite right. I have recently discovered one resource, Digit, and DIGGIT. And for social science, it's a wonderful resource area. And you get the resource in depth, you get the question answers, you get the MCQs, and they are very good for 5-mark questions. So, like, this, you can put the link in the GC as well. So I'm doing that, and I'm very happy that there are certain questions which requires very in-depth knowledge.
Mhm.
So it gives additional resources, and children can make answers out of it.
Okay, okay. So I hope if, each social science teacher has noted the name, because it was specifically for a subject. But yes, there are so many resources. We just need to keep exploring, and that helps a lot in identifying more. And once you explore a resource that is helpful, just like Shinaz ma'am shared it right here, please share with the fellow team members so that everybody uses the tool for betterment of the classroom transaction and teaching learning process. Smita ma'am, do you want to say something?
No, ma'am. It was raised
Okay,
earlier.
okay, okay. Okay, so quickly we'll move to today's first segment. We are in school. We work in on multiple things. We start with. So, can you just share what are the different things on which you work? I would start. So, first is assessment planning, which includes question paper creation, getting the syllabus reviewed. Anything that you would like to add? What is something that you work on? Yes, Pinaz ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everybody. So
Good
on
evening.
Sundays, I make it a point to study whatever that I'm going to take up for the entire week, and I post resources for all my class, because since I teach in multiple classes, I get confused at which topic I have to do where and what topic have I finished. Right.
Mhm.
So this is my prepping starts from Sunday. Then I plan for 3 days in advance, and I note down things in my Sankalp. Plus, weekly, I write down what all topics that I'm going to take. I create assessment papers, lesson plans. Then, after I teach the subject in the class, I review my lesson plans. Then I make milestone papers, assessment papers, booster test papers, write scripts, conduction scripts, train children for the scripts. Then there are observations that I have to do. Then there are teachers at whom I have to approach for my observations. Um,
Okay. Before I go ahead, I would request everybody to please keep your cameras on so that I can see your lovely faces.
Ma'am, I also do the communique work. So till last year we had the newsletter. So
Not to
that
forget that.
consumes
Yeah,
that
absolutely.
consumes a lot of time and effort. So yes, my
Right.
communique work.
Okay. So, as Pinaz ma'am just shared, there are multiple things that we do. Now, during this, there are times that we need to make sure that all my connected people, all the stakeholders of the same project or same work are very much aware about it, right? Just give me 1 minute. I'll share my screen. Good evening, Sonali ma'am. Okay, I'll quickly move here. So before I go forward, we will start with a small video, very small video. The volume of the video is little low, but let's try if we can hear that. Okay.
Verma asks, why aren't the lights up? My kids need to rehearse. Mr. Kothari responds confused. Lights? You didn't say anything. I thought you booked the vendors. Student Ria nervously asks, Ma'am, do we get costumes today? My mom stitched me into a butterfly. I can't walk properly. Mrs. Das floods.
Sorry, ma'am, you are not audible.
WhatsApp. Are parents allowed to shoot videos?
Is it not audible? It is.
Yes, it's audible, ma'am.
Audible, ma'am.
Audible. Smita ma'am, it is not Notebook LM. I'll tell you the app also.
Why aren't the lights up? My kids need to rehearse. Mr. Kothari responds confused. Lights? You didn't say anything. I thought you booked the vendors. Student Ria nervously asks, Ma'am, do we get costumes today? My mom stitched me into a butterfly. I can't walk properly. Mrs. Das floods. WhatsApp. Are parents allowed to shoot videos? What's the dress code? Is seating first come, first serve? Asking for 47 parents. Miss Verma exclaims, who's handling invitations? Mr. Kothari replies, I thought you were in charge of everything. Mr. Batra enters calmly. Time out. This is role confusion syndrome. Diagnosis: no RAC matrix. Treatment: one clear chart. Immediate effect.
Aarti ma'am, you are
It is in video. It is in video. The app Smita ma'am, which created and solved my problem because I was not getting any real video from classroom, from school, where it happens that we rush towards that stage and we ask, okay, where is the mic? Where is the caller mic? I thought you have arranged. Okay, and we get to know, okay, there is some communication gap. there is some confusion in assignment of work, which leads to the final day chaos that wherein we figure out that okay, this should have been done prior, or this work should have been assigned to a certain person because that is the person's expertise. So all of this comes later on. But how can we resolve this? Because all of us work on multiple things. Like we start our day with lesson planning. In lesson planning, it's like Pinaz ma'am mentioned it very well. She listed it very well, actually. So if we start with a basic lesson plan and academic system, who all are the people for let's take one quick example that I'll ask any teacher from grade 4 who is teaching math. Any teacher who is teaching math, if you prepare lesson plans, can you please raise your hand? Anybody who is teaching math? Okay, none of the math teachers are here, or the lesson plan creators are not here. Okay, Rifat ma'am is here. Yes, Rifat ma'am. Okay, Vrinda ma'am. So Rifat ma'am, when you prepare your lesson plan, how do you identify, how do you make sure that all your co-teachers are aware about it? Or how do you make sure that your senior leaders are aware about it?
Either we convey, ma'am, or we share.
Okay. Have you ever come across a situation where a co-teacher comes up and says that I was not aware of it, that I have to prepare the worksheet for the lesson plan that you shared?
Many times, ma'am. Many times.
Many times it happens. It's in all the spaces. If we plan for an event, on last day we get to know, okay, I was not aware that garlands to be arranged, and this was my responsibility. And at times the guest comes and says that the leader comes and says that you did not inform me that you have changed the theme of the event. So many things happen when we work together, and we as a bigger team, I feel it is very important that we keep everybody informed. We make a clear structure that keeps everybody informed about their responsibilities. At the same time, ensures that everybody feels involved and aware. So for that, I'm quickly going to share my screen again. Aarti Sharma introduced us with this framework, which is RACI. I hope my screen is visible now. Okay. So what we are going to do now is we are going to understand. So purpose I have shared, the problems that we face I have shared right now. So we are going to explore the different components of this framework. And we are going to create a RACI chart for our in the responsibilities that we have. Okay, quickly. So for each task that you do, there is one person who is responsible to do that task. There is one person who is accountable to do that. Then there is one person or one or two people whom you consult. If you get stuck, if you need some advice, you reach out to these people. And then there are some people who are not directly contributing to that work, but they are ensured that they are informed. That is also very important. So this chart, it helps to make the work process very clear. So whenever you have a responsibility, for example, you are planning for maybe an upcoming house activity. So while you plan this, it is important that you have a clear structure of who is responsible for that work, who is responsible, so who is actually going to get that work done. Okay, then the person who is accountable, who oversees the task and ensures that this is done timely and this is done properly as per plan. Consulted, these are the people who needs, so if you need any kind of assistance, if you need any kind of suggestion, any kind of additional resources, information, you reach out to that person. And I stands for informed. So who needs to be kept up to date on the progress. So a very quick example, if you are making a lesson plan, very basic example. If you are making a lesson plan, so for example, if I am responsible for creating the lesson plan, okay, but my learning leader is accountable for it. It is her responsibility that I make sure that I complete this on time, I upload it on time. Then if I have a doubt, I will reach out to the HOD, I will reach out to the subject expert, I will reach out to maybe someone else is doing really well in the other school. So I will, but I should have a clarity that who is the person I should reach out if I get stuck in lesson planning. And next is informed. So who are the people who needs to be informed? For all these conversations, your HOD should be aware, your learning leader should be aware, the school head should be aware. So when you have this clarity, you do not miss out on your communication while you're communicating regarding that work. Quickly taking you through the different stakeholders of the chart. So R is responsible, the person who actually carries out the task. That person gets the job done and it basically on ground executes that work. So at this stage, you will find that there could be, for one work, there could be multiple people who are doing that task or who are responsible for getting one work done. So the person who is ultimately answerable for the task's success and provides the final approval. It is suggested to keep only one person accountable so that there is no confusion that one person has approved and another person has rejected. So we should try that for any of the tasks, we should have only one person accountable for each task. So for one task, when I say, so it is broken down into multiple tasks. And for each broken down multiple task, we should have one person. I will show you a chart.
चाय बहुत बढ़िया बनी, चाय बहुत अच्छी बनी.
Consulted people who are not directly doing the work but providing their suggestions and inputs. This person basically adds value in terms of enhancing the quality of the work or in keeping assuring that there are no gaps, and adds their perspective and adds their expertise to the work. Then people who are kept in the loop and so that they are aware that the process is happening, this is going ahead smoothly. So it's just that just keep me posted. I'm aware that this is happening, just that assurity needs to be there. So the chart, I will quickly, I'll quickly share my screen. Here is a link that I'm posting in the chat box. What it has, I'll show you. Okay. So it is created in a way wherein you put the name of the stakeholder. So let's take a quick example. So maybe it is annual day planning. Okay. So quickly share what is the task what are the different tasks that you do for the annual day planning. Feel free to raise hand and respond. Script writing. Okay. Yes, please go ahead. I am on the other screen, so I might not be able to see the chat box. So please feel free to share your inputs.
Ma'am, the theme has to be decided first.
First theme.
Okay.
Ma'am, resources required.
Okay, let's think backwards, huh?
Yes. Stage setup.
Then the date, ma'am.
Theme.
Costume.
Okay. State setup.
Programs.
Props and costumes.
Okay.
The duration.
So the schedule, theme and schedule, then state setup, script writing.
And which program? कितने program?
Duration.
Ma'am, if we are calling a guest,
So event 1, for example, event 2,
Ma'am, flow of the
The-
event.
Yeah, the schedule for rehearsals.
flow of the events,
Props and costumes.
props and costumes.
and we take into account the dimension of the stage also.
Okay. So stage setup
Safety and
includes
security.
decor, stage lighting, stage dimension, screen setup. So all of those comes under the stage setup. Okay. Now,
Ma'am, we have to decide the characters also.
so that will go into events. Either isn't it
Scripts.
that event 1? What is the event 1? What is the event 2? Flow of events, then props and costume, guests. Anything else?
If any prize distribution ceremony is there, then planning for that.
Press co-invitation, press जो planning है.
Program charges.
Ma'am, venue arrangement.
Ma'am, report writing.
Media collaboration and readiness. So when we say media collaboration and it can be broken into other maybe 3-4 tasks. Then we have someone said the last one,
Venue management, ma'am.
venue arrangement. Okay. So I think I wrote logistics, but it is a vast one. I would say.
Ma'am, stage crew, ma'am. For, picking up props and putting them on time and removing them. So the stage crew is also a very important part, ma'am.
Okay, so here you can see it's just a sample that we're trying to explore. So we listed some of the tasks that are very crucial for annual function. Okay, so now let's do we have any member from the admission team? Anybody? No? Okay. If anyone from Nashik team can call Sania. So why I'm calling is they utilized this tool and they have done a fabulous work. All admission team members from all the branches, they are the first one who actually implemented it in their work frame, and they have actually broken down their each task and created this RACI chart for all the events that they're planning, all the work that they're planning. So anybody from Nashik team, if they can invite Sania, they can ask Sania to join. Okay, meanwhile, so quickly, any event planning, first thing that we will break the different work that is supposed to be done, executed. Now next we will see कि कौन सा काम कौन है जो उसके लिए responsible है. So quickly share. It could be different in different schools, but generally who are the people who are responsible? So who actually get this decided?
Ma'am, principal, ma'am, and the art department.
Sorry. The dance group, okay. Maybe the dance group or co-curricular.
Yeah. Principal, ma'am, and arts department.
Okay. School head and it's art department and school. So it could be different in different campuses.
Yes.
Dance department, art department.
Co-curricular.
Basically, I would say yes.
Co-curricular.
Okay. Then who is accountable for this? So it's a decision that is taken here, wherein we keep
Wing wise, ma'am. Wing wise. Sometimes program जो है वो हमारे वाराणसी में विंग वाइज एक एक विंग की ड्यूटी होती है, तो दे ऑल आर अकाउंटेबल एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबल कि ये प्रोग्राम इनका है, तो ये पूरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी वो लेते हैं कि हाँ ठीक है, हमने इनको टास्क दिया, इनको ड्यूटी दी, बट दे आर ओनली रिस्पॉन्सिबल एंड अकाउंटेबल कि वो पूरा विंग, सपोज कि मिडिल विंग, जूनियर विंग एंड तो विंग वाइज वी आर डूइंग.
ओके, सो अगेन ये अलग अलग कैंपस में अलग अलग हो जाएगा. सो यहाँ पे जहाँ पे इवेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर हैं, वेयर देयर इवेंट कोऑर्डिनेटर्स विल टेक दिस रोल. Where you have and then it comes to accountable. So somewhere the learning leaders become accountable. They are to ensure that it is, if it is for their particular, if it is wing wise. So generally it is wing wise in Nashik, Varanasi. So agar wing wise hai, to wahan pe they become accountable, that they ensure that everything is in place and the event gets executed well. Who are to be consulted?
School head.
Okay. Just go there. Okay.
People who might have done the same duty the previous year.
Leaders.
Okay. Who are to be kept informed about the theme and the schedule decided for annual function?
All the teachers. I think everyone.
Particular in charges for that event.
Particular in charge, so main in charge.
So
Yes.
here only you are deciding the in charges, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
here you are only deciding the in charges, and you will get to know कि actually में कौन किस चीज का in charge है. We are doing it, right? But what happens जब हम ये duties decide करते हैं, what we do, हम work list करते हैं and we list out the name of the person who is doing it. But then how we ensure that it is being made in consultation with expert views, how we ensure that one person who is the leader, who is the learning leader, is accountable, or how do we ensure that all the people who need to be like aware, maybe the script writing is happening or the stage setup is being discussed, or someone has been made an in charge for that, so the school head is aware of it and is being consulted. So when you create this kind of a chart, it becomes very easy to check. Okay, quickly I will go back to the screen. Okay, and whom to be kept informed? You said ICs. Anybody?
I think all the teachers should be informed that who is the responsible person, who is accountable for the things. Everybody
In charge
should
for
know.
a particular in
So
charges.
theme and schedule, first of all, should be informed to everybody. Yes, so everybody should be aware of that. So they are not exactly doing it, but that awareness is required by all the members. Okay. Now quickly go to the script writing. Stage setup will come under logistics arrangement again. So I'm not going to that. Script writing. Responsible.
Usually it is
Literature
language
teacher.
teachers, English and Hindi as well, I would say.
Okay. So for example, I'm writing Tejaswini. It's automatically taking up the name. Okay. And then
And
I'm
the grammar
writing.
teacher.
So one Hindi and one English teacher is responsible to do it. Now, who is accountable to ensure? So who is going to be signing off?
Principal
Yes,
ma'am
the
and
learning
learning
leader.
leaders.
Okay.
Always, principal ma'am is not involved in area. Learning leaders.
Ma'am, in our school, principal ma'am
Yeah.
is involved.
Okay.
So it may vary. Okay. So Nagpur principal ma'am will look into
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
And Varanasi?
In Varanasi, सपोज के विंग वाइज ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी अगर विंग को मिली है, मिडिल विंग, तो आवर कोऑर्डिनेटर एंड वो असाइन करती हैं. आफ्टर दैट एवरीवन इज, उनको ही सब लोग रिपोर्ट करते हैं कि दिस डन एंड फॉलो अप लेना.
They ensure that it is timely completed and okay. Fine.
She is taking follow up.
When I say this accountable, that means that person is signing off, is ensuring that this is done on time. Okay. Here you have the scope of getting the expert views and suggestion. So who will be the people from whom you will get you will consult if you need help?
Academic head, because it
Okay.
is script writing related to literature.
The HOD.
Okay, academic head, the HOD. Okay, great. And who is to be kept informed about this, that this is happening?
The one who is the in charges.
So
Of,
in charge is this only, na?
script
yes,
writing
but
में
I guess
ma'am,
the co-curricular department as well.
So
स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग में जो डांस और ड्रामा
Theater, dance, music teachers will be informed that this is the script writing going on.
okay, so somewhere that entire CCA department needs to be kept posted and kept to be informed about it, that this is what we are creating.
Ma'am, even the art department, we even coordinate with the art department so that the props and the settings are made accordingly.
So
ma'am.
CC department includes that.
Even
Co-curricular
IT department also, ma'am,
includes
if we
dance,
need
all the
background and all.
performing arts, dance. So dance, music, art, all of those come in the CC department.
yeah
Co-curricular department. ठीक है, ये एक फ्लो बना हमारे पास, दैट अगर ये अब इसमें क्या है कि जब भी आप कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो, सो थ्रू आउट द प्रोसेस व्हेन यू आर कम्युनिकेटिंग, you are sending an email on communication that so for example, learning leader is sending an email to Neelu ma'am that this is the timeline. She will ensure that she will marking the academic head, HOD, the school head, and the CC department, because all of them are somewhere involved in this process. So the school head needs to be aware of it, the CC department needs to be aware of it. So what happens with this is you do not miss out keeping all the stakeholders informed about what is happening and wherever they are expected. So the academic head, when the script is being shared by Tejaswini ma'am to the learning leader, the academic head knows that she also needs to look into that, because she is also accountable. She has signed over here that she knows that she's the person who will be consulted for it. So we know whom to reach out, we know to whom we need to communicate while this is all and this entire process is going on. So what we do, we ensure that there is no communication gap. Each member of the team knows that what is their responsibility and where they need to provide their suggestions, or where they are accountable, with where the entire execution of the work is their responsibility, or where they know that, okay, here I don't need to interfere, I have just been kept posted, and this is not a stage where I should interfere. Maybe at a stage where the person realizes, okay, this is not going well, now I should interfere. So the process is going on. But when the script is getting to a stage where we are trying to proofread, and the school head feels, or the CC department feels that, okay, there is a change that is required because the flow of event has changed, so they will definitely intervene and say कि these changes are required. But in this process what happens, because आपने सारे लोगों को शुरुआत से communicate किया है, you have kept them in loop, everybody is informed about the process and the stage. Okay, now I'm going to share a blank template with you. Okay, before that I could see now Sanya is here. Sanya, can you just present any one of the event plannings?
Ma'am, I'm logged in from my phone, so give me 5 minutes. I'll share that with you.
Okay. Please log in with. Okay, it is shared with me also, right?
Yes, ma'am, it is.
Okay. I'll share my screen then.
Okay, ma'am.
So meanwhile, I'm sharing a link with everybody. Quickly, if you can open it in your chat box, it will open in your chat box with a message saying make a copy. Okay. I have added a link in the chat box that says make a copy. And in case, because now this is Google has a different way of putting it, you can make a copy of that document and then utilize, because chat box is giving me a different prompt. So it opens like this. Okay. And when you open it, you have to click over here, make a copy option. Okay. Now, when you click that make a copy, it will open a small table like this. Quickly open that. Meanwhile, I'm opening the file that we talked about.
Ma'am, it's view only.
Make a copy. You can make a copy. So I said that because this is a setting in the chat box link that automatically it asks you for a setting which has only 3 options: comment, view, or edit. It is not taking up that copy command. So you can quickly use this option, make a copy, and you can make a copy of the document. Don't edit the main copy. Just make a copy of that document and then use it.
Ma'am, request assess is asking.
Okay, I am making it open. Just give me a minute. Okay, keeping it.
If it is in a view mode, you can make a copy.
See, this is the document which you have right now is this with this option. Anyone with the link as can be a comment. Okay, not this one. Sorry. Yeah. So this is the document which has been shared with you. You can anytime just make a copy of it. I have opened it. This is the here you get an option. Here you get an option of making a copy.
Done, ma'am, done.
Done? Okay. So I'm just trying to pull out one. Okay, I'm getting an option, a message of access, but you can make a copy of the document and quickly use. Okay, if you have opened it and made a copy, now quickly make a think about any current task that you're doing and or an upcoming program. So you can consider creating a podcast. You can consider a small event that maybe a house activity that you're planning. Maybe you consider about the next newsletter being planned. You can consider your question paper or assessment planning. You can think about your lesson plan planning. So think about any of the task any academic plan that you're creating, and then fill out the RACI sheet for and break down that task and then fill out the RACI. So a quick example I'm going to show you.
मैम कनेक्शन लॉस्ट हो गया था, so please anyone paste here link.
Aarti ma'am, your mic is off, I guess. You're not audible.
Okay, sorry. Okay, so I'm quickly sharing my screen. And yes, so you'll find that all the tasks that they are going to do for all the events that they are planning. So it's the entire year's plan. But for all the plan, all the smallest of the things that they are doing, they know that who is responsible, who is accountable, who is to be consulted, who is to be kept informed. So what happens with this? That you don't need to request for edit access. If Fatma ma'am getting edit access, just make a copy of that sheet. I'll stop sharing. That was a quick glimpse of showing that how the entire year, whatever is their responsibility, they have made a clear sheet that who is going to execute the task, who is the person who is going to whom I need to reach out for a suggestion, for a review, who is accountable, and who are the people I need to keep informed while I'm working. Okay, quickly work on your sheet, choose any of the tasks. It could be your upcoming event. So it could be ACT, it could be Fam Jam, it could be annual day, it could be PTM. PTM is also something where we assign work. It could be recruitment, anything. Let's see who raises hand to share.
माऊ लॅपटॉप आण ना.
Once you do it, please share your screen. This is what you have. I'll stop sharing. Someone raised hand.
Can we present only 2 or we have to fill all 4?
So if okay, share, then we will understand that if it needs to be filled by in all the sections.
Like this is I have made for 1 second. I think it is not visible.
Okay, yes, you are sharing that if all the sections. Yes.
So one is a RAS reading program. So who is responsible? Like at DPS Lava, Aparna ma'am, and the RAS department, I would say, who is responsible. Then they who is accountable? The class teachers and the English teachers. Here also we need script, and the class teachers decide the stories, and the properties that prop that we require, the class teachers are accountable. For consulting, we can go to the English department, HOD, and the learning leaders also. And whom can we inform this principal learner? Same I have done for the sports day, which is this year. So sports department and the co-curricular department again, as they have the flow and they have the theme for the particular sports day. And accountable are all the teachers, not this only, because it also includes, I guess, store for the stationery and all the items which are required. So accountable is that also, I guess, store department. Consulted again, learning leaders. Here I doubt, I don't know whether learning leaders should have something more, some more people here. And whom shall be informed is the principal learner, according to me. Thank you.
Absolutely fine, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing. And sharing the first is path breaking. Thank you so much. And I can't move forward without saying that Tejaswini ma'am was the first buddy for me in the school, and I have learned a lot from her.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. And now we are learning from you.
No, nothing. Learning is always mutual process. I'll quickly invite people. If anyone has completed, please share. Okay, yes, Debashruti ma'am, please share. I can see Prabha ma'am raising her hand.
Yes, ma'am. I have done it for the newsletter actually.
Okay.
So can I just share
Yes, sure.
that only without sharing the screen?
It would be great if you can share your screen.
Okay, I'll try. We are just reached here.
Okay.
That is the problem.
Debashruti ma'am, are you sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Can't see your screen now.
My screen is visible, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, it is visible.
Okay. I'm preparing the sheet for assembly, upcoming assembly. The topic is Janmashtami. So we think that कि हम लोग एक फैंसी ड्रेस टाइप का करेंगे क्लास 3 स्टूडेंट्स के लिए. So the dress up wala responsibility is for class 3 teachers, and the accountability उसके लिए मैंने असेंबली इंचार्ज को दिया है. कंसल्ट के लिए एक्टिविटी इंचार्ज जो होंगे उनके लिए, और इन्फॉर्म किसको करना है? लर्निंग लीडर को. एंड द सेकंड पॉइंट जो है
Debashruti ma'am, do you also feel if the assembly is happening informed, like you're keeping your learning leader informed, it is also important that you keep the school head also informed, the principal learner?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
But good to see what happened. A small assembly has been now broken down. So for each small task, people know that what is expected, who is going to do what, who are the people to consult with, whom we need to keep informed. Very
Yes,
nice.
ma'am.
Very nice. Thank you so much, Debashruti ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
मैम इन वाराणसी हम ओनली इनविटेशन भेजते हैं एंड वी आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल. जो असेंबली इंचार्ज होता है ओनली शी इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल.
So she's accountable. She's accountable,
yeah,
but you
yeah,
need to keep informed. So जो आपके जितने email communications होंगे ना, in the CC that you need to mark the
CC to mark.
principal learner. So
और
this is what I was saying, that कई बार बहुत important चीजें होती हैं, because ये हम clarity हम इस चीज की हम एक जब framework में नहीं डालते हैं, we miss out on important things कि हाँ I should have kept that person in loop.
Okay.
But
Actually मेरा नेटवर्क बहुत ब्रेक हो रहा है, तो कुछ मैं समझ नहीं पाई थी बीच में, तो अभी मैंने फोन से ज्वाइन किया है. Maybe.
Okay, Neelu ma'am.
Okay.
Shanaz ma'am, you raised your hand.
Yeah, I've done it for my cohorts.
Okay, please share your screen. We are coming to Prabha ma'am after Shahnaz ma'am.
Yes. So initially, just a sec. Okay.
Your screen is visible,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. So initially, whenever we have these cohorts, I'm the one who is, of course, everyone is responsible, but for inviting the global educators, it's always me, and I'm also accountable for it. But consultation information is with the core team and with Siddharth sir. And then posters, generally for the launch, I am there. And accountability, of course, goes to the design team, and consultation information is, of course, the core team.
Okay.
Then,
so Shanaz ma'am, would you like to flip this? That poster responsibility means the doer of the poster creation. Who will design it? The design team. So the design team, Gunjan Jain and Shruti, all of those come in the responsible section, and you move to be into the accountable section, that you're responsible to, you are accountable for this, that it happens on time.
Okay. So we have myself being accountable for it. And then, of course, calling the chief guest for the launch. Generally, I do it. And I'm going to be accountable for sharing the mail, the posters, the reports, and everything in consultation with core and information to the core and sir. And then we have the educators meet. That mail is sent by me, and we are both responsible, Sunanda ma'am and myself. We keep the core team in loop. Launch, generally, it is done by Sunanda ma'am, and she is responsible for it. And it is this time that we keep principals and Siddharth sir in the loop. So this is what we have. That is what is our system till now that we have followed. Of course, there's a lot of process. I'm not given the
when we
detail.
break it down, there are other things also, like
Absolutely,
reaching out, inviting. I am aware of that there are multiple steps involved. So arranging a meet link wherein responsibilities of the IT team, but accountability is again of the core team involved for us
to get that done.
Get that done, absolutely. And then
it goes to the culmination also for that, getting the guest, then informing the guest, then having other people also, many dignitaries also join from all over the globe. So getting them also on board and sending them mails generally comes on my head. And I do keep sir and my core team in loop. Well, the slide presentation, the report writing, newsletter is done by Sanila
ma'am.
So without informing, this is understood in the core team that this work is done. Now, like August has come, I know I have to get started. So this is the way we are working.
Thank you so much, Shanaz ma'am, for quickly creating and sharing with all of us.
Yes.
Okay, we'll move to, I think, Prabha ma'am, you were sharing initially your newsletter responsibility.
Yes, ma'am, but I'm not able to share my screen.
Okay. In case you feel it to be okay, you can make it open and you can put the chat link in the chat box. I can share on your behalf. So, okay. Next we have Sharayu ma'am raising her hand, and then I'll move to Shushmita ma'am.
Present my screen?
Your volume is very low, ma'am. You're not audible clearly.
Can I present my screen, ma'am?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Yeah. So today only we have stay back just for the meeting annual day discussion. So I thought I should take this task. So the task which is decided annual day 2025. So we were supposed to think on the theme and the other roles which were being distributed. So I just have taken few roles here as a task or work. So theme, there was a discussion of theme and who is responsible for the finalization of theme. So there, principal ma'am would take the lead for that. CODs and other teachers are, giving their feedback, but But Miss Priority, CODs and principal ma'am are there. They are deciding the theme for the annual day. Who will take the accountability? Teaching and all non-teaching staff, will
So
be.
here, your responsibility is no. Are you talking about the entire annual day? Okay, your annual day theme. So theme
Yeah.
for theme, accountability will not be of teaching and non-teaching. So see, again, I'll say
Mhm.
accountable. When we say when we call someone accountable,
Oh, yeah, yeah. For theme,
being accountable means one who is actually signing it off, like one who is say giving the final approval
correct,
and
correct.
saying this is done. Okay,
Yeah.
and ultimately who is answerable for that task success is the person. So the entire teaching and non-teaching team cannot be giving the final approval on the, otherwise वो हम पूरे साल हम सिर्फ थीम ही डिसाइड करेंगे मैम, अप्रूवल तो कभी होगा ही नहीं.
Correct, correct. So I think our accountability will lies maybe from, which should come from COD and principal ma'am, right, ma'am?
Okay, so you can write accountable could be your event in charge, event coordinator.
Okay, the activity coordinator, which is there.
Yes.
Yeah.
And for consultation, yes, principal and COD you have written, a learning leader, and informed. Okay, all teachers and staff.
Like,
So they would be.
we we had that meeting now. So all teachers are informed about the flow of the annual day, and I think non-teaching staff, though we are not involving, but that the whole staff should be in the loop. Like, what will be the
Awareness.
that awareness. For script writing, I feel, ma'am, ki English team as well as language team, can be responsible for that. Even if that depends upon the theme also. If the theme we are deciding, which is which includes some scientific or mathematical things there, so then their science and maths team also can take some part. I mean, the responsibility for the script writing. Who will be accountable?
Sharyu ma'am, when we do this ना, ये यहाँ पे बहुत specific होगा. Who is responsible? English language team cannot be responsible. That would be one person who would be responsible for it. So that there is no confusion. अगर आपने English team लिखा, good that we got what is not is also a good way of learning. So this is not what should be done, because when you write language team, okay, now in a team if 20 people are there,
yeah,
I will say, okay, Tejashwini ma'am, you were supposed to do. Tejashwini ma'am will say, no, I was supposed to do for grade 5. You were supposed to do for grade 2. So the work will never ever get completed.
Okay, so specific
Okay,
teacher.
so it should be one person who is responsible, 1 to 2 people who are responsible for a smaller task.
Yeah.
And then accordingly, you have to set one person accountable. And then in consultation, you can have 1 or 2 people. For informed, you can have a large number of people. Maybe there are people from central team. There are people from maybe Siddharth sir is there, who is supposed to be kept informed about it. The principal is informed, the learning leader is informed. So there you can, in informed section, you will have more number of people so that all the stakeholders are aware.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now this is one we saw as example, and this is what is not the ideal practice in this, that it should be the name of the person. जैसे duty list आपकी बनती है. What do? You write exactly the name of the person, and the person signs off and knows that this is my responsibility.
Yeah.
Similarly, when you say presentation, so out of all your computer teachers, there would be one person who would be responsible, 1 or 2 people who would be exactly working on the presentation.
Yeah, basically, ma'am, 1 or 2 teachers are taking the responsibility of that particular thing.
So their name would be here.
Yeah.
Learning leader or the event in charge would be activity coordinator. So activity coordinator or learning leader जो आपके हैं, वो यहाँ पे आएंगे accountable में. For consultation, you can write here, maybe you are consulting with the learning leader or the school head, the principal learner. So principal learner would be here. For a presentation, when you share, it is always approved. The approval comes from the central team. So the central team would be here in the informed section. So this is how we have to break the task and then assign people so that nobody is missed out in the loop.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing.
Yes.
We must appreciate all those who are presenting their screen and sharing. Thank you so much. Yes, Sushmita ma'am. So this is the last one that we are taking up. I had planned for one more segment in this, which was around question paper and blueprints. But I see that it's already 6 o'clock. We cannot extend it. So maybe in the next session, or I will send that as an email and we can connect.
Ma'am, one question.
Yes, Smita ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the connection between the chart which we are making and AI video that you showed to us?
Okay. Anybody would like to share what was the connection between the video that was shared and the chart that we are making?
This is to be
And
attached there and we can convert it to
Fusion and
conversation.
Rush.
to avoid the confusion.
So the video was actually presenting the last day confusion that the teacher is saying ki whether the parents are have received the invitation, can they shoot? There is no clear information to the parents. They are not aware about the seating plan. Then the teachers felt that light arrangement has been done by someone else, but the person said, no, I have thought you are doing it. So there was a lot of confusion on the execution day of the program. So that was shown in the video.
So I thought that creating this chart, that conversation is made and that will
No.
help
So
in
that was a scenario
future
of a
planning.
school wherein people were not clear with their responsibilities.
Okay. So I
Thank
thought
you
we
for
will get something like that.
thank you to the members who explained it. Okay. So Little Indian big celebration, responsibility, school head. Someone would be an in charge of this event. The responsibility could not be of school head here.
Yes, ma'am. I think the prep teachers, because this is the program for of class.
So you
prep.
have to
So I think prep
identify the
teachers
people
will be
like for.
mentioned, na?
So who is the prep in charge? Who is the teacher from that particular class who would actually responsible for execution? It cannot be the school head. School head would be in the section of consultation or informed.
Okay, ma'am. So here I should mention the prep teacher. All prep, actually all prep
Exactly
teachers
name
are
of the person.
responsible.
So no, not all,
Okay.
not all. You have to
Okay,
exactly
okay.
write who are the people.
All right, ma'am. So I can mention the name of the CC.
So you can write,
Class
yes, name of
coordinator?
all the people who are responsible for this. That will come here. Okay, accountable learning leader. So you can write here because we were generally, we were creating a common format for your school. You can write here, consultation, school head and leaders and learning leaders. So informed all team members. Do you inform all team members? Little Indian big celebration, or is it your Anandam wing? How do, what do you ensure?
All the team members as well as the Anandam wing too.
So, okay, Sushmita, reflect deeply on your document. Stage setup. Do you need to inform all team members of DPS Varanasi about the stage setup?
No, only the team members of our wing, our classes actually, prep class. Means we have the team, na prep team. So here I want to say that all the team members of class prep.
So stage setup would be one or two people who would be responsible for it. For accountability, your admin head would come, who would be responsible here, or the infrastructure, the estate manager could guide you for that. So
yes, ma'am. Stage
then your
manager,
slide
stage
setup.
manager, yes.
So identify the people who would be here instead of thinking about the entire team. You do not need to inform all the team members about the stage setup. There would be one in
Yes.
charge, one person who is responsible, who will take responsibility of stage setup. Okay.
All right. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So whom you need to keep informed? Your learning leader. Your learning leader would be accountable. Your academic head, your principal learner. They are supposed to be kept informed. Okay.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So good that we came across these examples also, wherein we see that it is important that you name that person and that person acknowledges that. ये भी नहीं कि हमने एक sheet बना ली किसी work के लिए और वो हमारे ही पास है. It has to be signed by that person so that the person is aware of it and is accountable for it. Okay. Thank you for
Okay,
sharing.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, everyone, for sharing. Looking forward to the implementation of this framework in our work so that everybody is aware and we do not face any gap in the communication or any gap in the responsibility while we actually frame. It helps a lot to reflect whether we are reaching out to the right people. We have made sure that we connect and we are keeping our leaders informed. So all of those could be addressed and we can streamline our work. We know that this is my role in this entire project or entire work that is going to happen. So already 7 minutes already overshoot ho gaye, so I'll not extend, but there is something that I wanted to share. There in the assessment framework, very clearly assessment, the blueprint has been added from last year. Please adhere to that while you are creating your monthly milestone or you're creating your PA or you're creating your summative, the half yearly exam or the final exam. Please create the blueprint. And 6 onwards, especially when you're creating, please adhere to the format given by CBSE. It should be so detailed that you don't have to go back to the teacher who has created the question paper to ask that, tell me what should be the answer or how should I check it. The such clear blueprint and marking scheme needs to be there. So marking scheme needs to be very detailed. You can look into CBSE's pattern and you will identify that each step that is important is mentioned very, very well. So that needs to be adhered to. Quick paper template.
I'm so sorry, ma'am, interrupting you in between, but still I wanted to show my thing. So
Okay.
is it okay? Is the screen visible?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Yes, I just wanted to show my efforts. Is it like right? And just check it once.
Work newsletter, responsible learning champions is a group of teachers.
Yes, ma'am. We will need for the photographs, like activities, what we conduct.
So you have to list down those teachers की कौन क्या कर रहा है grade 1 के लिए. अब इसको break down करना पड़ेगा आपको. Grade 1 के लिए कौन responsible है, grade 2 के लिए कौन responsible है, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं होगा कि पूरा newsletter ready नहीं होगा. You will find that up to grade 5 it is done, grade 6 is missing. Then 7 onwards it is well made. So you have to list down who are the people actually responsible for this. Okay. Then accountable is the learning leader, consulted IC department, principal learning leaders, IT department. Okay. And informed principal learning champions. No, not informed. Learning champions are already in the responsible section. So they will be the doers of the program. So informed principal learner. IT department is again, they are the responsible, they are actually doing it. So when you say IT department, it is not IT department. You have a specific person who is doing it. So the name of the person should be here so that within the department also there is no confusion that I am doing it or you are doing it.
Okay.
We know that this part, this is being, so maybe 1 to 5 newsletter I am taking care of and 6 to 12 newsletter is being taken care by Ekta Shetty. So we would have that clarity. So the writing name is very important in this section.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much for sharing.
Ma'am,
yes.
One more doubt. Can I clarify?
Yes, please.
Like earlier we were making duty list. So we were writing there what, how and when.
Mm-hmm.
So why we are going to use this? What is the difference? वहाँ पे भी हम लिखते थे.
हाँ, बिल्कुल करते थे. और हमें इस लिस्ट में क्या होता था कि इवेंट 1 के आगे हमने लिख दिया कि इवेंट 1 हो रहा है, बट जो दूसरा पर्सन है, मतलब जो ये पूरा कम्युनिकेशन हो रहा है, इवेंट 1 का जो इंचार्ज है, दैट पर्सन इज कम्युनिकेटिंग टू द CC डिपार्टमेंट and they are requesting for something that is not happening, and at a very late stage they come and tell the learning leader कि मैं तो पिछले 10 दिन से बोल रही हूँ but it is not happening. I have been informing them that is not happening. This is being done, but then the person is thinking that it is going in the right direction. But because the person do not know to whom I need to reach out for getting an expert advice or getting some inputs or suggestions, the person is reaching out to maybe a colleague, a person is reaching out to a person, maybe a co-teacher or a person who they feel comfortable with. But then when you create this framework, it helps to reach out to the right people for the work.
Okay, but here also we mention everything. Can my screen is I am presenting? Is it visible? See everything in what we are mentioning. Everything,
Move
registration,
forward.
attendance.
Move to the column. Okay. Now,
who is responsible for this?
Wait,
And
hold.
how it is done?
Please hold.
Yes.
Okay. So who is responsible? Mr. Shubham is responsible for class 7 and 8. Who will be accountable if he doesn't work or it is getting delayed?
It is wing wise. So our learning leader is responsible for everything and activity in charge is there.
Will it make it better if you write that very clearly and learning leader signs that they know that it is their responsibility that Mr. Shubham does it on time?
See, at the end, we write here overall discipline in charge, who is the responsible, and then sitting arrangement, who is the responsible, and
Smita
then
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Smita ma'am, for everything, for all the sections, you cannot make that one person accountable who can ensure that all 300 tasks are getting done or 200 things are getting done. Right?
That
So
is what
there would be one person. So for can you just move up in the same space?
like sitting arrangement, the one who is responsible will answerable also.
No, that what if they do not complete, which happens quite frequently, that the person who was responsible, who was supposed to do that has got delayed and it has not happened, or has done but it is not of that standard that we expected, and we get to know on the last day.
Sorry to interrupt you, ma'am, but I really
clear
need one.
structure. If you have the clear structure that if that person is someone is there to make sure that it happens on time, someone is there who assures that the quality and the standard is being met, and then in all this conversation, in all these stages of the process of something happening, you keep your leader informed. This
Sorry to
streamlines
interrupt
the
you, ma'am.
entire workflow. This streamlines the
There
entire
also,
workflow.
like, ma'am, there also we are taking learning leader name at every step. Like she is responsible. If we say it, overall monitoring will be done by learning leader, activity in charge, and the program in charge. So it is written here. So everybody has to report to her.
Can I bring a question, Smita ma'am? Thank you so much for putting out what I wanted to ask. Can I
Yes,
just
ma'am.
get a minute?
Sure.
Thank you. Aarti ma'am, who is the bigger responsible? See, like I'm taking activity, I've been made the in charge. So now I give away activities and then I am taking feedback and follow up from everyone. So will I come under the accountable section or will I come under the responsible section?
Accountable.
I am accountable. And the person
Yes, you are accountable because you are not exactly executing it. You are getting it executed by assigning it to someone.
So, ma'am, if something goes wrong, this is a very personal question that I ask because every time, the accountable person is pulled up by the neck. That is what I feel. But just please tell me, what if the responsible person is really not being responsible? How can we help here?
Thank you for answering what I was trying to explain to Smita ma'am, that then what happens is that quality assurance that the work which is expected. So I said writing a script. Someone we identify, okay, Anisha is going to write script. हमने उनको responsible के list में डाल दिया. We made that person the doer, but the doer is not doing the work properly or not actually adhering to the timeline. Then we need to the accountable person needs to ensure that is happening. To work on the needful areas, we can consult with the person who is supposed to be consulted. If it is one task, it is very easy to do. But if it is multiple tasks which are happening parallelly, you should know that who is the right person to get the right advice. So in that scenario, you can reach out to that person who is the consultant to understand that what is to be done and how can we make it better, how can we streamline this, and then get the work done. So then what happens when a framework is there, it is much easier. Otherwise, wo duty list sign ho jati hai, but then people are not aware in the process and they get to know very late that this is something which was supposed to be addressed or act upon. Okay, meanwhile we continue this discussion. Anybody who feels to drop out, please feel free to drop out. We have just completed the session. The queries are being answered. So thank you so
Rishuna,
much.
actually,
for
you
joining.
answered to my
Yeah,
query.
Yeah, ma'am.
Thank you,
And
ma'am.
feedback form is there in the chat box. So please.
I will email the blueprint document, and I would request everybody to please adhere to, in the smallest of your test, please adhere to the blueprint, the structure that has been given by CBSE. Any other questions? Any queries?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you, ma'am.
everyone.
Thank you, Aarti ma'am.
Yes, sure.
Aarti ma'am, may I ask one thing? Aarti ma'am, in the duty list which Smita